couple of weeks ago, I had a rare free morning to get out with the camera, but the forecast was for rain and grey skies and, well, you know, standard Scottish weather. Instead of calling off, I decided to go with it. Overcast days are perfect for Redscale film. I had a roll of Harman RED 125 that I'd been wanting to shoot for a while. Glencoe is around an hour's drive from where I live, and yeah, I know, it's been photographed to death, but I'd never taken my camera there before, and I'd never seen anyone shoot Redscale there before. As I started shooting with barely enough light for 125 ISO film, I started to think I'd made a massive mistake. But honestly, I'm so glad I went. The tones, the grain, the colours of these images, they're perfect. There's that cinematic, end of the world look to them, and it's cliche to say it, but the hills genuinely look like they're on fire. It's like the sun's exploding just behind the mountains. And even though I was shooting those classic Glencoe compositions, these images still feel fresh to me. It's Glencoe, but barely recognisable, and I like that. The rain didn't let up, so it was a bit of a dance. Camera under the jacket, quick shot, back under again. Ideally, I would have had the tripod out, but I didn't want to risk the camera being exposed to the rain for too long. Carried on down Glencoe, passing camper vans and tents tucked into the landscape. Fair play to those guys, nice for living and all that, and at least the rain keeps the midges away. As the morning wore on and the light started to break through the clouds, I noticed more yellow creeping into the images. I still love the look. I shot full roll of 36 frames, and I'm happy that they all came out reasonably okay. I think I got at least 20 keepers. Anyway, that's it for this one. Let me know what you think of the images, and let me know what you think of Redscale film in general. I'll definitely be shooting more of it. Yeah, Harman RED 125, thumbs up from me.